Bruce from Safiery, and we're in front of an LC200 here with a Marvel golden child behind. Let's just show you what we've done in the LC200 here. So we've added in a second start battery here. We've put a very simple charger on the back here, 30 amp DC to DC Smart Battery Protect going to the fridge in the rear. And then in the back here of the LC200, we popped a Scotty 1500 in here now, and there it is back there that you can see. And that's plugged into the caravan. And then back here we're going to meet Clayton. Clayton, how are you today?
Yeah, good, thanks.
And tell me, Clayton, you've got a nice setup here now. Why have you gone to so much trouble to get power throughout both setups?
Oh mate, just so we can be off grid and basically get the aircon on and run a bit longer and make it a bit easier basically. And I think 48 volt was the way to go when I researched it, and you guys kept popping up, so we went with you guys.
Very good, thank you. And let's step inside now and we'll just show you what we've done. So the golden child, we've put the power system underneath the seats here, and it's recessed back into the space behind the wheel arch here. Inverters on this side, and then batteries are on the front here. So we pop that down, and there's 600 amp hours of lithium. What we do in here is the existing setup here we leave intact, so nothing up here is disturbed at all. We still even leave the low voltage cutout is left in place, everything else in place. We are changing the tank levels here to our own tank systems in it. And then the display here now is as you walk in. And look at this, it's got a massive 7-inch display here, and that's showing what's happening here now. Now an interesting thing is, we've set this up so that if Clayton's starter battery in his car gets low, then we're running power from the 48 all the way through to the front of the vehicle to the starter battery. And I've set that up so his starter battery can go down to nearly 8 volts and this will still run and kick in. And it will then take from the 48 back into the starter battery into the car. And I've got to say, how good's that?